Baked asparagus recipe. Toss together asparagus, lemon slices, and oil mixture on a large-rimmed baking sheet. Sprinkle with salt and pepper. Toss to evenly coat. Ingredients: 1 small, 3-ounce lemon, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 2 medium garlic cloves, grated on a microplane grater, 1 teaspoon, 2 bunches, about 2 pounds total, fresh asparagus, about 1/3 to 1/2 inch in diameter, trimmed, 1/2 teaspoon kosher salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 3 tablespoons unsalted butter, softened, 3 tablespoons grated Parmesan cheese, 1/4 cup chopped mixed fresh tender herbs such as basil, tarragon, and flat-leaf parsley. Directions: 1. Gather the ingredients. Preheat oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. 2. Grate zest of lemon into a small bowl. Stir in oil and garlic. 3. Cut ends off lemon and discard. Slice lemon into thin rounds. 4. Toss together asparagus, lemon slices, and oil mixture on a large-rimmed baking sheet. Sprinkle with salt and pepper. Toss to evenly coat. Spread out in an even layer on baking sheet. 5. Meanwhile, mash together butter and cheese in a small bowl until combined. 6. Bake asparagus 8 minutes. 7. Remove baking sheet from oven. Spoon butter mixture evenly over asparagus. Toss using tongs until evenly coated and mixture forms creamy sauce. Spread in an even layer. Return asparagus to oven and bake until crisp tender, about 5 minutes. Transfer asparagus to a serving platter. Spoon butter mixture from baking sheet over asparagus. Sprinkle with herbs. 8. Transfer asparagus to a serving platter. Spoon butter mixture from baking sheet over asparagus. Sprinkle with herbs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel.